Hello again, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel, and today we're going to take a quick tour of the exterior of the Somerset on Grace Bay. Just an amazing, beautiful resort. I believe this one is a family resort, so you can't take your kids here. As you can see, the landscaping is just beautiful. Beautiful palm trees, beautiful flowers. I mean, it's just a really, really pretty property. I mean, it kind of goes with saying in Turks and Caicos that it's beauty by nature. And Providenciales Turks and Caicos is exactly that. It's beauty by nature. Here's the lobby area. As you can see. Heading back over here is a little dining area. Some people having some breakfast over there. Morning. And as you can see, you got this like kind of courtyardish area. There's some rooms here, decent sized patios. And we're gonna hover around here and try to find a pool area. You know, right now in Providenciales, it is peak season, so it's very difficult to get in and see the rooms. I mean, these guys are pretty much all sold out between January and April if you don't book way in advance. So make sure if this is your property, book it way in advance. You'll get better rates. Morning. Get better rates, and you definitely get a better choice of rooms. And this is definitely one resort not to miss if you're looking for a fairly small resort that's pretty quiet with not a ton going on. I mean, Provo is really about being outdoors. It's really about Grace Bay Beach, again, rated one of the best beaches in the world year after year. It's not really about being in the room. I mean, obviously, if you want to be in the room, you can, but that's not what it's about. So I'm just kind of taking you through a back way here, just so it's a bit quicker to get to the beach area. But let's hook around. At some point, we're gonna try to cut through here. Let's see if we can cut through here real quick. Get you guys a better feel of the beauty of this resort. Today it's well in the 80s, sunny, very few clouds in the sky. Just a beautiful place. So right here is one of the main buildings. You got this little lap pool here. Good morning. How are you? Good. Yourself? Good. So you got this lap pool, which is just beautiful. Try to get you a shot from here so you guys can see it all. So great place again in the morning if you're into doing laps, trying to burn off some of those drinks and food that you've had while here on the island. And there's certainly a lot of great food and drinks here on the island, no question. So, and right now we're going to be heading towards the infinity pool. And as you can see in the background, we've got beautiful Grace Bay Beach. So, here's what you can be sitting there all day long, just enjoying yourself. Just beautiful. There's another shot of the infinity pool. Again, very simple resort, but beautiful resort. But it's all about the beach. It's all about Grace Bay here. Hi. Thank you. And I'll walk you towards the beach. Speaking of Grace Bay, just come up these steps here. And there it is. Beautiful Grace Bay Beach. Just gorgeous. Again, this is Wilson from Anchors Away Travel with a resort tour of the Somerset in Providenciales, Grace Bay. Thank you.